how to review events invitations you have received on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review event invitations you have received on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and click these three lines in the top corner and go down, click settings, and now click activity log, and here you will find groups, communities, events and reels. Click on it and then click events invitations you received. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.